Hey there, food adventurers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, where we take you on a tasty journey around the globe. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the heart of Asia, exploring iconic dishes from countries across the continent. Asia, with its rich history and diverse cultures, offers an incredible array of flavors that are sure to excite your taste buds. Whether you're into spicy curries, delicate soups, or fresh seafood, Asia has something for every palate. Throughout this episode, we'll uncover some of the most popular mustard dishes across Asia, showcasing everything from street food delights to elaborate banquet fare. Ready to take a bite of history and tradition? Let's go. 1. Japan, exploring sushi, ramen, and kizzeki. Japan's food culture is rooted in the concept of seasonality, simplicity, and balance. When you visit Japan, you'll find that every dish is made with precision and love. Here are 3 dishes you can't miss. Sushi, the masterpiece of Japan. No culinary journey through Japan is complete without sushi. This delicate art form consists of vinegared rice paired with fresh fish and vegetables. You'll find sushi in different variations such as nigiri, sashimi, and maki rolls. In cities like Tokyo, sushi is elevated to an art form with sushi chefs crafting each piece with expertise. To get the full sushi experience, head to Tsukiji Market or any local sushi bar in Tokyo where you can enjoy a freshly prepared platter. The rice should be warm, the fish tender, and the wasabi, a perfect complement to the flavors. Ramen, a bowl of comfort. Ramen is one of Japan's most beloved dishes, made up of chewy noodles served in a flavorful broth. The 4 main styles are based on the broth: shoyu, soy sauce, miso fermented soy, shio salt, and tonkotsu pork bone. Each region of Japan puts its unique spin on ramen, whether it's the rich, creamy tonkotsu in Fukuoka or the lighter shoyu ramen in Tokyo. To experience authentic ramen, visit ramen shops in cities like Fukuoka or Kyoto, where you can watch chefs prepare your bowl with fresh ingredients. Kaiseki, a traditional Japanese feast. Kaiseki is an elaborate multi-course meal that showcases the finest seasonal ingredients and cooking techniques. This formal meal is designed to offer a balance of taste, texture, and aesthetics. Each course in a kaiseki meal is carefully crafted to highlight the natural flavors of the ingredients, often including soup, sashimi, grilled fish, and pickles. If you want to indulge in a traditional Japanese experience, enjoy a kaiseki meal at a ryokan Japanese inn in Kyoto or Nara. 2. Thailand, pad thai, somtam, and masaman curry. Thai cuisine is known for its balance of sweet, salty, sour, and spicy flavors. The diverse landscapes and cultural influences across Thailand shape the food here, offering a mouth-watering combination of regional flavors. Pad thai, stir-fried noodle, perfection. Pad thai, Thailand's most famous street food, is a delicious stir-fried noodle dish made with rice noodles, eggs, tofu or shrimp, and bean sprouts, topped with crushed peanuts, lime, and chili flakes. It's a perfect mix of sweet, salty, and tangy flavors with a satisfying crunch from the peanuts. You can find this dish at food stalls in bustling cities like Bangkok or Chiang Mai, where street food vendors cook up hot, flavorful pad thai in mere minutes. Som tum, the freshness of green papaya salad. Som tum is a zesty, refreshing green papaya salad, often made with shredded unripe papaya, chilies, lime, fish sauce, peanuts, and a bit of sugar. It's spicy, tangy, and sweet all at once, with a unique crunch from the papaya and peanuts. If you're in northeastern Thailand or near the borders of Laos, you'll find different variations of som tum, like the spicy fermented fish version in Isen, masaman curry, a spicy, rich delight. Masaman curry is a rich, aromatic curry influenced by Indian, Malay, and Thai cuisines. It features tender chunks of meat, usually beef or chicken, potatoes, peanuts, and coconut milk, all cooked in a blend of spices, such as cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom. It's less spicy than other Thai curries, but still packs a punch with its deep, flavorful taste. Masaman curry is popular in the southern regions of Thailand and can be found in many Thai restaurants worldwide. 3. China. Peking duck, dim sum, and hot pot. Chinese cuisine spans thousands of years with distinct regional flavors that vary from region to region. The culinary techniques and ingredients used in Chinese dishes are incredibly diverse, making every meal a discovery. Peking duck, a royal feast. Peking duck is a show-stopping dish that combines crispy duck skin with tender meat. The duck is traditionally roasted in an open oven until the skin is golden and crispy, then sliced and served with pancakes, hoisin sauce, and scallions. For the best Peking duck experience, head to Beijing, where the dish was originally created. Look for a renowned restaurant that specializes in this iconic dish, and you'll witness a culinary performance as the chef slices the duck right at your table. Dim sum, a taste of Cantonese tradition. Dim sum, a collection of small dishes. has its origins in Guangdong Province, Canton, but is beloved throughout China and the world. These bite-sized dishes include dumplings, buns, rolls, and desserts, often steamed, fried, or baked. Popular items include shrimp dumplings, har gow, BBQ, pork buns, char siu, bo, and egg tarts. Dim sum is best enjoyed in the morning or afternoon as a part of a communal dining experience. Visit Hong Kong or Guangzhou to try the freshest dim sum at one of the city's famous tea houses. Hot pot, a communal experience. Hot pot is a fun and interactive dining experience, perfect for sharing with friends and family. The dish consists of a simmering pot of broth placed in the center of the table, where diners dip raw meat, vegetables, tofu, and noodles into the hot broth to cook. There are various broths such as spicy Sichuan-style hot pot or milder herbal broths from Guangdong. Hot pot is especially popular in winter months, and you'll find it all over China, with many regional variations from spicy hot pot in Chengdu to milder options in Beijing. For India, biryani, masala dosa, and chole bhature. India is a land of spices, where every dish is a celebration of complex flavors and textures. Indian cuisine varies dramatically across regions, with each state offering its unique interpretation of classic dishes. Biryani, a fragrant rice dish. Biryani is a fragrant spiced rice dish cooked with marinated meat, vegetables, and a medley of spices like saffron, cardamom, and cinnamon. It's a dish that embodies India's love for complex, layered flavors. Popular variations of biryani come from cities like Hyderabad, known for its rich, spiced version, and Lucknow with its milder, aromatic preparation. Biryani is often served at weddings, festivals, and other special occasions, making it an essential part of Indian food culture. Masala dosa, a South Indian delight. Masala dosa is a crispy golden brown crepe made from fermented rice and lentil batter. It's stuffed with a spiced potato filling and typically served with coconut chutney and sambar, a lentil-based soup. It's one of the most famous dishes from South India, especially in cities like Chennai and Bangalore. Start your day with a hearty masala dosa, and you'll understand why it's a breakfast favorite in India. Chole bhature, a flavor explosion. Chole bhature is a beloved North Indian dish consisting of spicy chickpeas chole, served with deep-fried bread bhature. The chickpeas are cooked with a variety of spices and served with tangy onions, pickles, and yogurt. It's a rich, hearty dish that's often eaten for lunch or dinner. If you're ever in Delhi, Punjab, or Amritsar, don't miss this indulgent dish, which pairs perfectly with a cold lassi yogurt drink. 5. Vietnam. Pho, Banh Mi, and Goi Quon. Vietnamese cuisine is known for its fresh, vibrant flavors and its emphasis on balancing herbs, fresh vegetables, and meats. These dishes are a true reflection of the country's culinary culture. Pho, a Vietnamese classic. Pho is the iconic Vietnamese noodle soup, made with a fragrant broth, rice noodles, and a variety of proteins like beef or chicken. The broth is simmered for hours, creating a deeply savory flavor that's perfectly complemented by fresh herbs, bean sprouts, lime, and chili. Pho is widely enjoyed for breakfast in Vietnam, especially in cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. A warm bowl of pho will transport you straight to the heart of Vietnamese cuisine. Banh Mi, the perfect fusion. Banh Mi is a delicious fusion of French and Vietnamese culinary traditions. It features a crispy baguette filled with savory ingredients like grilled pork, pâté, cilantro, pickled vegetables, and chili. The result is a fresh, flavorful sandwich that's perfect for a quick meal. This sandwich is especially popular in Ho Chi Minh City, where you can find countless street vendors serving up their own unique versions of the Banh Mi Goi Quon. Vietnamese spring rolls. Goi Quon or Vietnamese spring rolls are fresh rolls made with shrimp, pork, rice, noodles, and herbs, all wrapped in rice paper. They're served with a delicious peanut or hoisin dipping sauce and make for a refreshing light snack or appetizer. You can find Goi Quon in Vietnamese restaurants or street stalls, and they're perfect for a light lunch or dinner. A culinary adventure through Asia. Asia offers a culinary journey like no other. From the delicate flavors of Japan to the bold, spicy dishes of India and Thailand, each country brings its own unique tastes and traditions to the table. No matter where you go in Asia, the food will leave a lasting impression on you. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your next trip and dive into the delicious dishes we've uncovered today. Whether it's the crispy Peking duck in Beijing, the spicy tom yum in Thailand, or the creamy butter chicken in India, Asia's food scene is a treasure trove of flavors waiting to be discovered. Let us know your favorite Asian dish or the one you're most excited to try in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more delicious food adventures around the world.